Hi, and welcome to a quick video that I put together to show you how to interact and use the OneLaunch trash feature that we've got for you top right on your OneLaunch dock. So follow my mouse to the top right of the OneLaunch dock and you'll see the recycle bin or the trash icon that sits on the OneLaunch dock. If you ever don't want it there for some reason, you are able to remove it by clicking here under the hamburger menu to untick it and unpin it from your OneLaunch dock. Just quickly put it back. But typically it's there and it is there by default. So that's where it lives. And essentially, as I click on it, we're just creating for you a shortcut to the recycling bin that comes by default with your Windows computer. And this, of course, as you know, is a place that you're able to delete files and to get them off your machine. So right now it's empty, but we've done a couple of neat kind of things to make it not only quick and easy to access and easy to find, but also to do a few quick things differently from the OneLaunch dock. So first of all, let's, as you just saw, let me just confirm that. Yeah, it is empty currently. And you can see the current state just looks as it is on the OneLaunch dock. But one thing you're able to do is actually drag and drop files right to the icon on the OneLaunch dock. So let's just pop that dog's text file right into the trash there on the OneLaunch dock. And now you can see the state of the icon changed to show a red dot on the icon itself to show that there is trash in your trash bin or your recycle bin. So again, I can open that up. And I can see, sure enough, that dog's text file that I placed there is there. So you're able to interact with your trash from this Windows UI, or you're able to simply be even quicker about it and interact via our icon here. So you can right-click on it to open or to immediately empty the recycle bin. So let's just empty the recycle bin. Are you sure? Yes. And you can see that my state changed. The red dot signifying that there is trash and my trash is gone. And we can just click on it to open it up again. And yes, indeed, the folder is empty. So that's essentially it. It is essentially just your typical recycling bin, but a nice convenient spot to access it from that's always present. And a nice quick right-click feature to empty the recycling bin at any time that you like. So we hope that this helps you always remember where your trash is and helps you interact with it and use it quickly and efficiently by dragging and dropping to your trash icon on the OneLaunch dock and then simply right-clicking to either open it or to empty it as you see fit. Thanks for watching and have a great day.